What's going on, guys? I'm gonna do a quick mail day video. I just got a package in from CK. I believe it's TCS Baseball 1. Pretty cool guy. He gave me a pretty good deal on 3 cards. I got in 2 autos and a game used jersey. Alright, he says, thanks for the purchase. Hope you like your cards. Cody Killman, TCS Baseball 1. Thanks, bruh. We got, damn, he's doing an extra Tommy Hanson. And Ryan Braun jersey, thanks. Zimmerman auto. Gordon Beckham auto.